The Nectar of Devotion by A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. Chapter 36 is called Transcendental Affection, or Servitude. The Nama Kaumudi mentions the mellowness and acceptance of whatever state is devotional. The Lalita Madhava reminds us of opulence greater than any particular place. The Hari Bhakti Sudodaya reminds us that from the ill-trained and ill-associated to the best of creations, we may step aside from our contamination through the conversations about divinity. If we become one of those who are constantly in association with the direct services of divinity, we are called anugas. And there are different types of anugas, but it can be a lifelong thing. A lot of people like to take baths just for sensual reasons. But if you put substances in it for spiritual reasons, then it becomes as part of that duty. If we use the grass, if we arrange it as a sitting place, likewise, we should do it to hear the special spiritual messages. Srimad Bhagavatam 4:20-25 reminds that fortune itself can either become satisfied or dissatisfied with any particular human being. But if we go beyond what is just merely worthy, and we realize our comparative helplessness and still work, then that is accepted anyways. One way to serve is being a durya, and that is somebody who becomes an expert in analysis, in philosophy, as it's called. And not some silly philosophy that you just quote people to quote people, right? Now the Dhurya, if we're dividing into Dhurya, Vira, Vira, are the ones who relate to the spousal stage. Let us pray not for just wealth, but that we may always be in service, that our service to divinity does not find a breaking up. Savanishta is that we're attached to the idea that we are serving. I may interview somebody who's on that platform, right? And if we look at the places and things and categories, a lot of people are going to worship this, that, and the other because it's of this category. Well, the Adhikrita, Devata, are the angels of those particular categories. But those beings, as you could call them, are, they're under the shelter of divinity as well. They're supremely controlled as much as they may be controllers. And as much as we may be struck by a particular sense, our point is to continue our actions.